Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal without an SSN. To get started, you can create a personal account using your name, address, and a valid email. While an SSN isn't always required initially, you'll need to verify your identity for full functionality. Linking a bank account or debit card helps establish your account and allows for basic transactions. This initial setup is straightforward and quick. To unlock more features and increase your transaction limits, you'll need to verify your identity. This typically involves providing a government-issued photo ID and proof of address. Without full verification, your account will have certain restrictions on how much money you can send or receive. Completing this step ensures a more robust and secure PayPal experience for you. Once your account is set up, you can easily send money to friends and family using their email address or phone number. Receiving payments is just as simple, with funds appearing in your PayPal balance. To access your money, you can link a bank account for withdrawals. Remember, some transactions, especially international ones, might involve small fees. If you're looking to use PayPal for business, an employer identification number, or EIN, is usually required for a business account. For personal use without an SSN, you might also explore other payment platforms or link a prepaid debit card to your PayPal account. Always review PayPal's terms of service to understand all requirements and limitations for your specific situation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.